Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO, and what's in your teaching toolbox. Ever felt like your classroom is on the verge of chaos, or maybe you're looking for ways to keep your students engaged while managing various forms of challenging behavior? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into effective classroom management strategies and practical ways to handle disruptive behavior like a pro. Stick around because I've got 20 foundational strategies and 20 targeted behavior management techniques that will make your teaching life a whole lot easier. Let's get started. Before we even talk about handling disruptions, let's focus on building a strong classroom foundation. A well-managed classroom means fewer behavioral issues to deal with in the first place. Here are some key strategies to set you up for success. Number 1, set clear expectations. Start strong. Lay out classroom rules and routines on day 1. Students need structure, and clear expectations create a sense of security. Number 2, be consistent. If rules apply one day but not the next, students will test boundaries. Follow through with both consequences and rewards fairly. Number 3, build rapport. Relationships matter. Students behave better when they feel valued and respected. A simple "How was your weekend?" can go a long way. Number 4, use positive reinforcement. Catch them doing something right. Praise participation, effort, and good behavior. It works wonders. Number 5, plan engaging lessons. Disengaged students often become easily distracted. Keep your lessons interactive, use storytelling, and incorporate hands-on activities. Number 6, adapt to student needs. Some students thrive with visuals while others need movement. Flexibility is key. Number 7, use visual aids. Diagrams, charts, and videos help students grasp concepts faster and stay engaged. Number 8, establish a seating plan. A well-thought-out seating arrangement minimizes distractions and maximizes focus. Number 9, encourage participation. Use think, pair, share, group discussions, and interactive questioning to keep students involved. Number 10, manage transitions smoothly. Ever lost a class in between activities? Have a clear system for shifting from one task to another. Number 11, be culturally sensitive. Acknowledge and respect your students' diverse backgrounds. Representation matters. Number 12, use non-verbal cues. A simple look or hand gesture can redirect students without interrupting the flow of your lesson. Number 13, monitor the classroom. Walk around, scan the room. Staying alert prevents small issues from becoming big ones. Number 14, provide clear instructions. Confusion leads to disengagement. Keep directions simple and check for understanding. Number 15, incorporate technology. Apps, educational games, and videos can turn a dull lesson into an interactive experience. Number 16, set realistic goals. Break lessons into small, manageable objectives to keep students on track. Number 17, encourage peer support. Let students learn from each other through group work and peer tutoring. Number 18, stay calm and patient. Your energy sets the tone. If you stay composed, students will follow suit. Number 19, reflect and improve. Regularly tweak and improve your strategies based on what's working or not working. Number 20, celebrate successes. Acknowledge class-wide or individual achievements to boost morale and create a positive learning environment. For example, you can say something like, "Great teamwork today, everyone. You really supported each other during the activity." By setting up a positive, structured environment, you're already reducing a lot of behavior issues before they even happen. But let's be real, sometimes various forms of challenging behavior will occur. And that brings us to even the best classroom environment can have disruptions. Here's how you can manage them effectively without losing control. Number 1, proactive classroom setup. Arrange seating to minimize distractions before issues arise. Number 2, use proximity. Walking near a disruptive student can often quiet them down without a word. Number 3, private conversations. Correct behavior privately instead of calling students out in front of peers. Number 4, provide choices. Give students a sense of control by offering options when they resist instructions. 5, identify triggers. If a student frequently acts out, look for patterns and address the root cause. Number 6, redirection techniques. Engage disruptive students in the lesson. Give them a task. Ask them a question to shift their focus. Number 7, behavior contracts. For ongoing issues, set clear agreements with expectations and consequences. Number 8, calm down strategies. Teach students mindfulness techniques, deep breathing, or quick breaks when emotions run high. Number 9, be predictable. A structured environment with clear routines reduces uncertainty and misbehavior. Number 10, use humor wisely. A well-placed joke can diffuse tension, but never at a student's expense. Number 11, praise specific behavior. Reinforce exact actions you want students to repeat. Instead of just saying, "Good job," say, "I really appreciate how you waited your turn to speak. It showed great respect for your classmates." Number 12, empower student leaders. Assign leadership roles to responsible students to model positive behavior. Number 13, stay neutral. Avoid power struggles. Stay calm, state expectations, and don't engage in arguments. Number 14, implement short, mindful breaks. Sometimes all students need is a 60-second reset to refocus. Number 15, document patterns. Keep records of recurring disruptions to spot trends and create better interventions. Number 16, collaborate with colleagues. other teachers may have insights on what works with certain students, don't hesitate to share strategies. Number 17, build rapport. Students act out less when they feel connected to their teacher. Yes, we're bringing this one back. It's that important. Number 18, monitor the classroom. Keep your eyes open. Most issues can be prevented before they escalate. Number 19, use non-verbal cues. A simple nod, eyebrow raise, or stern look can redirect behavior instantly. Number 20, stay calm and patient. Your response sets the tone. Stay in control and your students will follow. Classroom management isn't about strict control. It's about creating a positive learning environment where students thrive. By combining these foundational strategies with targeted behavior management techniques, you can transform your classroom into an engaging and respectful space. Which of these strategies have you found most effective? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more teaching tips. Until next time, bye!